Nani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, remember I said with Tirelo had a Q&A and some people had some questions to ask, and there was a couple of questions that I actually found quite interesting. This one says, Mpumelela's behavior on social media affecting like uyayibona future. So this person's basically asking, Mpumelela's behavior on social media, does it not affect you? Like the way he acts, like do you really see a future there? And you know what, guys, I laughed at this because I'm just like, I get where this person's coming from. Guys, if you follow Mpumelelo on Instagram, the childish things that he sometimes posts, I'm just like, dear no ma'am. But then again, Oterano does respond and says social media is not real life. And guys, there's a truth to this. Besides the truth to that, I want to believe that each and every one of us, we've got an inner child. And that inner child within us is a side that people will call us childish. So I guess some of the things that Umpumelelo, because some of the things he posts, I'm just like, there's no way, I just feel like there's just certain things. But anyway, I guess that's his inner child, and social media, he lets his inner child come out to play. But Utiralo says social media is not real life. So maybe in real life, he's not really the way he acts on social media. Just the way they say with influencers, guys, that lifestyle that we get to see on Instagram, it's not real life, it's just the snippet of whatever a person wants to show you. If a person wants to push a narrative, ukuthi they silly, they're gonna post silly stuff. If they want to push a narrative that they reach, that they what, people push the narrative of whatever they want people to perceive them as. Besides that, there's just some people like Abompumelelo who just don't care and they just post anything. So Darren is like, do you boo? I guess she's saying that too. Umpumelelo, do you boo? Because I'm just like, oh baba wengane posting is dezinje. But anyway, who am I to judge? Anyway, tell me, have you seen Umpumeleno's behavior on social media? You guys, because on TV it's a bit different. On TV he acts a lot more mature, like his father. He wants to act like Umusa, even his voice. But on Instagram, guys, it's something else. Tell me if you've seen it and what's your analysis on it. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.